Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Vishal Nengnong manager ka Vespa Aprilia showroom ka Shadap Automobile ka badan Hamaublay Shillong ulapan pa ba ka Aprilia RS 457 kadi ka bike ka ba compare bha na kiway pat ki bike ki ba kiway ki company kila shna bat di hakari. Vishal ulapan pa we kani haba patay siya phang ka thuk na ka bike Aprilia RS 457 ka ba ka company Vespa ka ba na Italy kala shna ya ka hagarukom ka ba pher. Ule thuk ba kani ka RS 457 bike kadon lai jat ki rong kadei ru ka arshaka ka ba kham Khlaiñ board bha ka badan sauspa san phunyo cc bar ka dor jongka kalong tang sau point hanyo phaulak ule thu bai ki ABS anti lock braking system kila ban switch off nak banta ki bakwa ban thiet ule kentu bat wer ki pat ba bakin wan ha Shadap Automobile ka badan Hamaublay bat un batai banya thik pathik we dei ba kani ka bike kumjuru bat ki we ki arshaka ka ba ka Vespa company kadi hakani ka showroom tat haduk menta ule thu baki dang di ar photli na du bala palat ya ka dangshen bat ki bala thiet ki lapan pawe ka jinghun jongki habe dei bat kani ka bike ka doru habe nu jor bat ki we ka khamtat ne ka duna dor kuman shukdo kani ka dei ka showroom jong uba bhakupa Shadap.
Kini ka Aprilia company right? Kadang pemi tangi kini hi ki bikes na there are some other form of bikes.
For Indian market for the first time in India, produced in India Aprilia RS 457 and ki manufacture hangi for India and ki supply to Europe, parts of Europe and USA nang ne na po India. Kini ka bike ni the likely ki colors no racing stripe, prismatic black, but population light kadi only. Okay, ka CC kadi South Spa San Punyo. And ka PHP kadi South Punyo. That means ka pickup kalong instant pickup. Merchant have the first gear, merchant have the accelerator, can bomb like can race with. And thirdly, the Hima tires. Kani banadin kadi 150. 150, Nakmat kadi 110. More. And then once you on shot away, we take Nakmat, that we take the visor look, the LED system. Okay, I kalong very iconic, joke Aprilia, very unusual. Hindi kong giwe ki bike kin. Tapi yo inakmat do tila sulfuri, and the turn signal kalong attached with the headlight. Ma, kamlong la kajon. Adjustable side mirrors, flat wing side mirrors. Okay, and menta the pipe instrument cluster na mata epi. Kumba piyo I menta kani ka mode. Okay, the don lightly ki mode sa kani ka bike sport, eco, and then rain. So basically the pikwa 100% power can use like a sport mode. Okay, and pikwa 75% eco mode banya power sorke ma, and then 50% for the slab unto. So that comes kit re kali unto. Apo ki lightly ki kini ki sport ki modes don ki traction lightly for ma 1, 2 and 3. Pila ban choose ki traction according to the linti kalong kum no. Secondly, la don hang ni ka trip, max, fuel timing, lap timing kala don lupa. Okay, and then fuel meter also. hang ni pila bantep kat no kilometer kala ya ke kali ne hadin kat lo kilometer ke kali ka don kamban service. Okay, and then hang ne pinyo I ke temperature jong ka environment outside, and kani ke battery voltage. Thirdly, pila ban pe kani ke kilometer per hour ke speed. Okay, and then pila ban connect music ne calls through Bluetooth lo. Kadon ka wika app ba pi have download na Play Store nang tu pila ban connect kani ka system ni, and then pila ban use GPS lo ne pila ban call do nang ni. Okay, so nang ta ni don ki accessories apart from this kani ka whole bike ni don ki accessories lo kung ki windshield, higher windshield ang ni don ki clutch ban smooth ya clutch kan ni don ka tu kadai ka 4000 yang poi but then hopefully in the future kan sawan bat ka bike kan sakhiu ka dor ka bike kan ba kala ban wan bat ka bike ka ban change ka gear shift shut up automobiles mobile and gan bataya phi in detail ka torque jo kani ka bike ka handling jo ka bike, and in fact I test ride too. So please come and visit Shadab Automobiles and purchase your own bike, and you can ride like the wind. He actually ka booking ka last time January 2024 tangba ka vehicle par mi yo adu banai mi yo ka test ride vehicle but ka display vehicle and then ka retail is dang nadu banai let's say around last of June 1st July gunto last time till date we have already sold 20 numbers in Shillong, 20 numbers, and then recently let ride mention tayo gunto we had Aprilia 457 winter ride Moira, that's right. And all the customers ki bike, they are very much satisfied with the bike. So all in all, it's a beautiful bike and it's a powerful bike, and it's worth every penny because ka dor jong ka bike du ditang 100 lakh nyo po tingka on road compared to other bikes ka cross san lagi and kaduna ka CC jo ki brands kumway tamakani as per the brand, as per the CC ka price kalong ka best pala the price kan combo jo ka Aprilia India. So for more information you can definitely visit our showroom or contact 811 980 7753 for more details.